So that is the weather outside. Okay. We got blasted with snow during the night, and we woke up to this. So, what's going on with the fig trees? Let's check it out. So, this guy absolutely refuses to go dormant. I don't know how this tree tastes like. It's damn strong. Oh, look at that. It is dropping a couple of leaves. I just noticed that. So it's about time. Very strong tree, but not sure how the figs taste on it yet. So that's to be discovered next year. Let's see what's going on in the garage with the fig trees. I haven't even properly stacked everything. I still got some on the ground, but I wanted today to talk about some of these air layers that I had put on late in the season last year, or this year. I knew that they weren't going to have enough time to start developing enough roots to be cut off and planted on their own, because I did put them on right towards the end of the season. But I knew that I would be okay, because there's two ways that you can go about it. And I'm going to show you those two ways. Okay, I've taken one of them off here already, and we'll do another one. So this here is a Ronde de Bordeaux. And for me, I don't know why, but Ronde de Bordeaux is always a little bit difficult to root. Okay? A lot of people say Black Madeira is very hard. I have no problems with Black Madeira. Very easy. But somehow Ronde de Bordeaux is a bit difficult. Okay? And so this is a Ronde de Bordeaux. And if you look here, let's see if we can get a focus on that. Okay, there it is. It just barely began shooting out roots. Okay, and then things got cold and the tree shut down. So this cutting pretty much is kind of like a head start for you. Okay, so if you're trying to root and you already got a little bit of roots going on, that's a head start for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm going to put it in a pot, and it should go rather quickly. Okay, so let's begin that process. All right, so what I decided to do is to reuse the same bag that I was air layering with. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, for the air layer, I don't know if you saw my video, I cut here and I wrap it around the branch. So, and for rooting, I usually go through the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of tape here, and then I'm going to go back in through the top. So let me put the phone down. Okay, and then what I want to do, I don't want to rip those roots off when I'm sticking it in the bag. So I'm going to just use this stick here to kind of make a path for the cutting. Okay. And there we have a beautiful Ronde de Bordeaux cutting that should take off when you bring it inside and put it on some warmth. And now if I really wanted to be extra careful, I would probably wrap that with some parafilm to prevent it from drying out. But I think this should be good because the minute it comes inside, there's already some roots. I think everything will take off. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to cut off another one just to show you guys, hopefully. Definitely gonna have to put the phone down. Okay, so here's this. All right, I'm gonna rip the tape off and see if we got any roots. Let's take a look and see what we got. Oh yeah. You see here? There's our roots. Nice roots going on here. So I'm not going to disturb that too much. Okay, so I took it out of the bag and you could see there the root. So I'm going to have to repot that. And just for experimental purposes, I'm going to see about not using a bag. Hang on here. I got these pots here from the dollar store. I'm going to use one of these pots. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of this potting mix in here and stick that cutting in. Let's see if it'll fit. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good. Okay. Okay. It would be advisable to put a heat mat underneath to give them some warmth if you want to get them going quickly. Right now in the winter, our heat is going and it could create a dry atmosphere, which is not too great for the cuttings. And just remember, the same as the rules for cuttings, the soil shouldn't be too wet. You don't have any leaves, so there's nothing really requiring water. But you need to maintain moisture to keep the roots moist so they can grow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow the channel.